Welcome to your Shiftwave setup guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use your Shiftwave system with a control box, from unfolding the chair to powering your first session and packing it away. Start by unfolding the chair. You may need to rotate the black box underneath it to ensure it sits flat. Next, connect the power supply. Plug the adapter into the wall using the included switch accessory. This allows you to turn the system on and off. Don't switch it on yet. Now plug the other end of the power cable into the back of the Shiftwave and wait for it to click. Gently tug on it to ensure it's secure and snug. Please note that when you remove it, you need to press and hold the collar on the connector to release. Next, you'll open the accessory pack and locate the black XLR cable. It's rounded on both ends. Align the top notch facing upward and insert it into the port on the chair until it clicks. On the back of the black box underneath the chair are 4 silver switches that let you turn off the top 4 transducers if you prefer less vibration in your neck and head area. Useful for shorter users or personal preference. Next, we connect the control box. Open up the control box and insert the power cable with the silver side facing up. Now attach the control knob and, if desired, connect the optional pulse oximeter. This part may take a few tries to align properly. Match the blue connectors. Then you plug the Ethernet cable into the bottom of the control knob. The other end of that cable gets plugged into the knob port in your control box. Mount the knob to either side of your Shiftwave chair using the built-in magnetic plate. Place the pulse oximeter in the notch on the control knob. Now let's connect your headphones. Open up the case, take out the headphones and the cable with the inline volume control on it. Plug the end of the headphone cable closest to the volume control into the headphones, then connect the other end into the out port on the control box. To power on the system, simply use the wall switch accessory you set up earlier. Click it on and your Shiftwave is ready. Please note that when you're finished with your Shiftwave session, to turn off the unit, you simply click it off with this switch. To break down your Shiftwave, simply reverse the setup steps. Start by switching off the plug and unplugging Shiftwave from mains power. Then unplug the headphones and return them to their case. Detach the control knob from the magnetic plate, unplug the cables, and store them in the accessory case. Unplug the control box and close it. To remove the power cable, press the silver tab to release it. For the main power, grip the collar and gently pull it out. Finally, fold up the chair. Now it's time to pack up your Shiftwave. Take your Shiftwave bag, open it up, and lay out the built-in straps. Fold up the chair with the transducers facing up. Then place your power supply box at the bottom of the bag, as it's the heaviest thing, so you don't want it moving around when you pick up the bag and doing any damage. Add the control box, headphones, and accessory pack. Secure everything using the built-in straps you laid out earlier. Tighten them until they're snug. Fold the top flap and zip the bag closed. To carry, squat down, sling the strap over your shoulders, and stand using your legs.